Hello, in this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the guided access on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have. It is all going to work on every iPhone, and also it is going to work on every iPad. So guided access, it's a feature when you are using a specific app and you open the guided access in this app, you can disable some places of the screen to work. So let me show you how this works. Let's open settings, swipe down, tap on accessibility, swipe down again and tap on the guided access. So first of all, you need to turn on this feature, and you are going to open the guided access by the triple click the side button in the app that you want to use it. So let's go in some application. Let's say I want to use it in the Basis app. So now let's go and triple click 1, 2, 3. As you can see, now we are in the guided access and it shows you circle areas on the screen you would like to disable. So let's say I want to disable this little area, and as you can see we have this square right here, and this is going to be disabled. Now it is going to ask you for the passcode of that area, so I'm going to set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, as you can see, I cannot just hit right here. This little square in every pages of the app is going to be disabled. If I want to get to this guided access again, so 1, 2, 3, and I need to enter the passcode. Also, you can hit options, and as you can see, you can lock the side button. You can lock the volume buttons, you can lock motion or enable motion, you can enable software keyboards, you can enable touch, and you can set the time limit, and also you can set it. So with the guided access, let's say you are giving a game to a child, and you want to have the limit of gaming for your kid, so you can set a time limit. Also, you can now just put the square like this to not be able to use, for example, the top part of the screen. So let's just maybe make it like this, and now your kid is not going to be able to use the top part of the screen. After clicking resume, as you can see, nothing is happening. I cannot even get to the notification center or the control center. I can't even go back from the app because this is guided access. So to disable it, 1, 2, 3, passcode, and I can just end the guided access right here, and I'm going to be able to go back of the application. So let's say you are giving a game to your kid, and you can set the guided access to just make the kid only play that game, or you don't need to disable the parts of the screen. You just can let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, passcode. I want to end it, and let's say options, and I want to enable volume buttons, motion, software keyboards, touch, and I want to enable the time limit to, let's say, 5 minutes, and click resume. And now after 5 minutes the app is going to be turned off and the iPhone is going to be locked, because the time is going to end and the kid is not going to be able to play the game that you gave him after this time. So I'm just going to add the guided access right now and show you the rest of the options. So back again to the setting of the guided access, you can set the passcode, and if you use the guided access passcode, you are not going to be asked every time for setting up the passcode of the guided access. So you can set it different than to your phone, so keep in mind. And it is super easy, you just enter a passcode as you would do to your iPhone. You can also turn on the Face ID, so double click the side button to add the guided access with Face ID. So let's say only your face is on the iPhone and you are giving this to a kid. As an example, still after double clicking, if you're holding your phone and the Face ID can read your face, the guided access is going to be ended. Also the time limits, you can set the sound and speak option on, so the sound and the speak is going to be, the time spoken is going to be before the time ends of those of the guided access. So you can set a sound to anyone that you want to, and also speak the time. You can turn on this feature or off. Also, you can turn on the accessibility shortcut. So when you triple click the side button during a guided access session, accessibility shortcut settings will be displayed. Also, you can display the auto lock, so set how long it takes your iPhone to automatically lock during guided access session. And here you can set it up to 15 minutes. So these are all the settings about the guided access on iPhone. So I think that I helped you. So please hit the like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!